Smalls, and I'm doing Spring Blizzard by Darren Rand. 12 on a busy sheep farm in Scotland. Winter was coming, so they had to get the sheep home. They have dogs named Mick and Tucker. They got all the sheep home, but realized some were missing. So they had to go back out and find them. Lunches, and away they went. They found 3 out of 4 sheep. 1 died. And I really like this book because it has nice pictures. It's very interesting, and the author is my teacher's brother. I really recommend it to anyone if they want to learn more about it. Thanks.